Good. Hold on, I call next listening.
My brother, I call next.
No,
I call next. I'm over it. I'm watching. Hey. Why do I keep thinking you guys are yelling at me? Stop! Oh! That Mountain Dew
I
is
called
his, and I called
it.
Dude, I called listens.
No, I
Hold,
called listening
baby
after
brother.
Holden.
Listen. He called it after I did. No, who gives a shit? I don't care. I
Yeah.
don't listen. I listen.
Yeah, where do you work?
Technically, the person knowing how to use the stuff should get to listen first. I mean,
I know how to use it.
Yeah, you know how to hit the record button just as much as I do. At least I know how to rewind it and delete.
I know how you cheese ass.
No, you don't. You don't. You don't know how to do anything, you ass gypsy.
Stupid ass hair.
Why don't you go... Shut up, you butt chugger.
right my corner, stupid ass.
It actually says ass head.
Hair.
Halloween ain't coming.
It's got certain pizzazz to it.
It's got a pizzazz!
It's got a wait.
It's got a pizzazz!
We gotta get rid of that wolf.
Cool beans. Cool. 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 Beans.
Beans.
Cool. Cool. Screw you guys, alright? You guys think you're freaking hilarious. Oh, the almighty comedy kings. Everybody's a freaking comedian.
Billie Jean, not my lover. It's a girl like steady me.
Dude. Are you recording? You should get yourself in there.
My dad.
Scott needs to be in there. Get
died.
yourself in there.
He's
Say
fucking
something to the
murderer.
Fanes. Say something to the Fanes.
We should cover a Creed song.
Right. One last breath.
That'd be fucking gay.
No.
Good one.
Okay, Creed's first album, Human
Good
Clay,
one.
great. So
Oh.
screw you.
God damn it. You
Let's
were
record
fired.
No.
one
I love
last
that
breath
album.
and just call the song Andy Jones.
He's gonna see this. Scott's gonna post on Facebook. Sorry, Andy.
Can we cover with arms wide open? I call Scott Stapp.
I call
Other guy.
the guitarist, whoever he is. Poke War, anyone? Those were like so last year. Oh, I just want to have a shout out if you're posting this on Facebook.
This is so gay.
I want to have a shout out if you're posting this on Facebook. I want to have a shout out to Pablo, forgot your last name, Josh Henderson. Since you guys were too big a cool whatever to even mention me in a freaking shout out or video.
I didn't even watch that. What'd they
And
say?
Jesse, since we're too cool for you guys. I still love you though. Sometimes.
Great shoes, great shoes. I don't think I'm going to spend the rest of our night just listening to this. Just grab your skateboard.
Hold on, you should say something to the computer.
To this?
Yeah, because Scott's recording.
We're recording a video. Hey. I'm holding Zubrod. Guitar. Drummer. Play drums in this band. We're for the birds, and we're here to impregnate all your women. Drink all your beer. Well, Cole is. The rest of us, we don't do that stuff, but Cole does. He also fucks men.
That's true, actually.
It's actually true. So, welcome to the practice space. Have yourself an Oreo. Stay a while, maybe. Maybe just eat a couple Oreos. Just stay a while. They're not really that good, but that's all we got. We're kind of broke. I also for. Here's some Oreos. Thanks for kind of